Hi guys, it's ASBYT and today's video is huge because I have an exclusive, very special package. Inside here is a first glimpse at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus or Pro, whatever you want to call it. I've had a sneak peek, but I thought I'd save the full unboxing for this video. So let's get it unboxed, let's get hands-on so that you can see exactly what the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus is all about. Ladies and gents, this is it. So without further ado, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel and love everything tech, news, unboxings, reviews, then make sure you hit that subscribe button and ding that notification bell so that every time I post a video, you are notified and can stay up to date with all of the latest tech. Straight off the aeroplane. I presume I've no idea. Right, so as soon as we open the box, we are greeted with a t-shirt, which I'm going to throw on later and probably snap a picture for my Instagram. Go and check it out. or don't. And then, as you can see here, we have some cases here, and they are all for the Note 10 Plus. And as you can see, there's a really nice variety of different designs, and they are from two different companies. One is iBlazon, and the other one is Supcase. Some of the cases are really nice, sleek, and slender. That's good alliteration there. Some of them are a bit more heavy duty for those droppers out there. And all in all, there's some cracking designs. There's great variety here, and you're sure to find one that you like. So if you are looking for a brand new case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 or 10 Plus, then make sure you check out these two brands. I will leave the links in the video description below. As we move those cases aside, we have the most important package of all, and it's the car phone ring holder stand. I'm joking, of course, it's not that. We have inside this box here, the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus dummy model, which has all of the features that we're going to see on the brand new Note 10 Plus next week. And it gives us some huge information about what we're going to see. So starting with the rear, this confirms the main sort of 3-camera setup on the back, but we also have the LED flash and 2 more round cutouts. Presumably we're going to see a time of flight lens on one of those. Good, of course, for portrait shots. Just the Samsung logo underneath, and that is pretty much it on the back. If we flip to one side, we have no buttons whatsoever, and then on the other side we have the volume rocker up and down here and a power button as well. So presumably the leaked information about the Bixby button being connected to the power button is going to indeed be true. If we flip to the front, as you can see, we have that punch hole cutout, the singular punch hole cutout here. I don't know how correct that's going to be. Many people think we're going to see a dual camera setup on the front, but if this is true, just a single camera lens on the front. We also have the speaker at the top, so we're going to see stereo speakers again, because if we flip to the bottom, not only do we have the S Pen, but we have that second speaker, the Type-C charging port, the microphone, and then bookended by the 2 antenna bands. Now if we flip to the top, and this is a key feature which seems to have been forgotten on many different smartphones in recent years, and a feature that a lot of people actually enjoy, and that is potentially an IR blaster on the top, as well as the SIM card tray, etc. Also, it's very hard to tell, but on that front display, as well as that edge-to-edge bleeding infinity display that we're used to seeing from Samsung, it looks like those bezels have been shrunk wafer thin. There's just a little raised patch on the bottom there, which looks like where that bezel is going to be, and then on the top we can see where the top of the camera lens is, so there's not going to be hardly any room whatsoever for a bezel up there, but there is again a slightly raised area which looks like that top bezel. Now of course the materials made on this aren't going to be what we're going to see on the finalized version, so of course in terms of weight I can't really say, but in terms of size, I've often stated I'm not a massive huge phone person, and I find the sort of S10 Plus about the limit of where I would want to go. It is marginally bigger than the S10 Plus, and I believe the final display size will be 6.75 inches. It's basically the Note 9 with smaller bezels. Now one thing I am surprised about this is that the S Pen air gestures doesn't seem to work. Of course it wouldn't, it's a dummy! Now this has left me incredibly excited, only whet my appetite even more for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and 10 Plus/Pro launch next week. I will be going to New York. If you are going, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to meet up with some of you guys. And of course I will be bringing you all the action from the launch, unboxings, reviews, camera comparisons, etc. with all of the other great top smartphones currently on the market. If you want to see those, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. You've turned on the notification bell so that when I post those videos, you are notified. Like and share this video if you've got friends and family who are interested in finding out about the Galaxy Note 10. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. ASBYT, peace out.